Hello, Paint Overspray Removal of Texas here. We're cleaning this red truck. It's got some overspray on it. It's hit pretty good. So we're going to have to blade it. Yeah. Hey, after I do this, when I clay it, it's exponentially easier. I'm going to show you in a second here. I know it looks crazy, right? You as a painter and all, seeing somebody do this, but years before the clay was ever invented, this is the way we did it. Well, no, actually, people use gasoline. I was telling you about that the other day. Can you believe that? Gasoline. The clay is a great product though. It's kind of changed everything in a way. Now watch this. I'm going to do this half here and I'm going to clay it. I'm not going to buff it. I'm going to wipe it off and get you to check it out. Come check this out though. I'm not gonna buff it. I'm just gonna clay it and wipe it off and get your guys on this. We got this in the elevator. Yes. Yeah. We got pictures. No. Oh yeah. Oh, this truck is gonna look beautiful, guys. We videotaped the pre-existing damage, but of course I'm gonna have to fix that. Now what I've done is I put some wax on it, and because this one is kind of heavy and I don't want to scuff it, what I did is I used my blading technique. That technique that you see me do, this is how we did it years.
Don't try that at home.
I really don't suggest trying this at home. That's a definite.
Oh yeah.
It's kind of dewy out here. It's gonna take a second.
I'm gonna start cleaning these windows, right? But I'm not gonna do no blading.
Oh no, I want you to look at this. No, seriously. You know how to look at paint. Look at angles and stuff, like squat down. There's no scratches or scuffs or anything. It looks like a piece of glass. So this technique that I've seen me doing was something we did before the clay was ever invented. When they're hardcore, we can always pull that out. I mean this one and this one. I ain't got no other people I hand a blade to and said, there you go, boys. Good luck with that. But this truck, it's really gonna look good. And I tell people, hey, you know what? This overspray, it was the best thing that could happen to you, because look at your truck now. Yeah. He's going to get it polished. And the methods that we use, you know, these products, Automagic, no compounds. I showed you how it's on the abrasive scale, very low. Right. If this truck got oversprayed again tomorrow, I could clean it again tomorrow without hurting it. Right. And that's taking epoxy paint off of regular old Ford paint.
That stuff won't hurt these lenses, does it?
Not at all. In fact, if you have lenses that are faded, you know, from the clay, whatever, dirt, I'm going to polish those lenses, but
yeah, this guy here is
he's particular. That's okay, because those particular ones, they appreciate it more when you do a good job on their car, because they're like, you know, now I don't have to kill nobody.
That's right. I ain't gonna have to kill him.
Yeah. Nobody.
Hey,
Yeah.
Mike.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
All right.
What about the foreman? Before we get
Oh,
to
that's
about
pretty.
this car.
Yeah. Yeah, everybody got a car. I said I'd go and get one too, huh? No, I'll take one today. We was over at
I gotta say,
EEOC.
that is pretty.
Everything get through washing out. There's a good shade out of it. That tree will shade it for about an hour and a half, 2 hours.
Yeah, I was watching that tornado stuff all night about Joplin. Yeah. Living in Houston, like I said, I'm just waiting for our for us to get hit, I guess.
Always, there's a big old chip of it. There you go.
That one there he's a detective. No, because you will have sometimes, you know.
Inside, you probably just be able to just.
I
play
think
it.
so, yeah. I think so. Let me get the ladder though.
Hot, pretty hot.
Yeah, top and the hood are always the worst, you know. Could you imagine though, buddy, just playing and wiping this one off? It's just some things you have to polish, you know. Still a little dewy out here. It's beautiful. Okay, that's my blading technique while the plant manager's observing. The owner came out and the contractor. We got this. Now that hood's perfect. More perfecter than it was before the overspray got on.
Oh yeah.
I mean, you guys love that shit. Feel that? Oh, baby. Truly. So you're going to be okay, don't you? About that, friend. I was hoping that guy would kind of stick around. If he wants to come over and check it out. Hey, do you want to come check your hood out real quick? Just give her a look-see. Yeah. And what I did is I used a polish on it, called Auto Magic BC12. And we played it, removed all the overspray, and I'm not finished. I'm going to put some Zano on.
Okay. That's good.
So she's going to look good. We're going to polish every inch of it.
Okay.
Yeah, you see that? That's the way that shit's done. All right. There we go. That's beautiful, ain't it? It's real pretty. Now we're gonna orbital it. Looks like any squirrels that may be in it. The other companies, first of all, they wouldn't be able to do this ride, but all they would do is clay it, scuff the shit out of it, and you wax it by hand. What I'm doing is far beyond a simple clay and wax. Now, anybody can clay and wax. Customer, we're going to put some Zano on this. So Zano, if you want a commercial done using your product on a vehicle by the #1 listed overspray guy on the planet. That ain't me saying that, that's Google, Yahoo, Bing, you know the story. Come on with it. Really. That right there, my friends, pretty. That's beautiful. Don't get me wrong, that's beautiful. But we're still one step away. We're one step away from what we're really gonna do to it. Oh, look at that. That's really pretty camera shots. Weren't no accident I parked under this tree. I knew the sun would come through and do that cool ass shit on the hood. Anyway, she goes. Remember to get that. Oh, hell yeah, look at that. Pull her on out in the sun for her debut. Oh yeah, look at that. That's no swirls, folks. No scuffs, no nothing. Sunlight. This vehicle was hammered. All right, look at that. That's what I call overspray removal right there, friends. Look at that hood. Like I said, direct sunlight. She's looking sweet. Look at that. Oh, man. Now that is, the sun is right there, and the truck is right there. Look at that. That's pretty right there. That's it, Paint Overspray Removal of Texas. That's another fine job.